So I'm going to start out with 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, got 1.5 cups of, this is some Fiesta kind of Mexican style cheese. And I've already cooked up about 1 pound of ground beef 80/20. And then we've just got some diced tomatoes, a 14-ounce can, a small 4-ounce can of some green chilies. This is mild. Then we got 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and there's also a dash of salt and pepper. Stir this up a little bit. Looks really, really, really good, don't it? So yeah, that's it. This is very simple. This is only 4 carbs per 1/4 of a cup, so keto dish all the way. Great queso, simple, so easy to do. I'm just going to preheat the pit boss, and we're just going to put it on here, just kind of melt it. Check this out. Got a little snow falling. It's like 23 degrees out here. Wow. And we're about to fire up the smoker. There we go. Open up the pit boss. Just going to put that on there and go ahead and go back inside because it's cold out here. We're going to crank this up to about 400 degrees and just kind of get it melted. Kind of stir this up a little bit. Yeah, coming along nicely here. All right, there it is right there. Got out of the smoker, all smoked up. Looks really, really good. And we've got to keep this keto, got some pork rinds here. So we're going to use this instead of chips. These are, what are these, 0 carb? 0 carb chips. Got right there on that chip. And I gotta say, I really, really like pork skins as instead of chips when you eat dip. Oh yeah. Really, really good. Taste that rotel. Good flavor. Nice meat. Yeah. You want to try some?
Yeah.
Dolores gonna give it a go here. She's the keto queen. There we go.
Is that hot?
Yeah, it's pretty warm. Tell us what you think. You like it?
Oh, I like it. Definitely good.
If you want to try this, below there'll be a link to the recipe on my website, or just go to okiesmokin.com/keto queso. Hey, see y'all later.
Yum.
Bye.